Hoover City leaders have unanimously passed an operating budget for next year. It's the first budget under newly elected Mayor Nick Derzis.
And Michael Higdon listened in on that proposal meeting today. And Michael, what were some of the big takeaways that the mayor wants for this upcoming year?
The mayor, in his letter to council with his proposed budget, stated the goal is to gradually improve the budget process with each cycle and that he's committed to an accountable and transparent budget. He says the total budget requests are always higher than the amount of money available to spend, so his goal was to set priorities and address the needs at the top of the list. This budget includes multiple new employee positions, including 7 firefighter paramedics, 2 police officers, and 1 court magistrate. Funding enhancements for tourism and marketing, additional judicial personnel to increase the number of court dates and other services, and the big one is the cost of living allowance. 1% is allotted, which city leaders acknowledged was lower than what they were hoping for.
I do anticipate that number increasing in next year's budget, hopefully, as we understand finances better and we can support that. But I wanted to send that message to staff that we understand that 1% isn't meeting what some of you may have been expecting.
It's not the budget that we would all love to have right now, but there are so many unknowns coming up in 2026. I think it's the right thing that we're doing.
The total budget approved was roughly $211 million. Council anticipates that next month they will start the auditing process of this fiscal year so they can have a better idea of their finances. Again, this was the operational budget approved. They are set to determine the capital budget early next year as well.